Hi all, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you how to hard reset your Samsung A54 5G. So for this, when your phone is off, just plug the USB cable in until you see the charging sign. When you see the percentage, press the volume up and the power button together and wait until the Samsung logo appears. Then let go of the power button but keep holding the volume up, and it should take you into recovery mode. From recovery mode, using the volume down button, select wipe data factory reset, confirm the power button, once again factory reset, and once it's reset, just reboot the phone using the power key and you're all done. Thanks for watching.